Rockford, it's your boy Manny. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Manny's Mexican Minute. I'm with my boy Jesus here. Jesus, you might recognize him. He's always on a food truck. His food truck, Sabor's food truck. And because it's winter, he's not working. So I brought my man out to eat. We brought the family, and we're at the new place, Pho 27. Jesus, do you like Asian food?
I do. Actually,
Yeah?
that's why I'm here.
Yeah, and you're from Chicago, and you came to Rockford. You moved to Rockford. You started your business, and you haven't really had a chance to eat. So, are you excited, man?
Super excited. That's why we're here. Because it's winter, we're not working, so we're trying new stuff.
Exactly. I wish we would have came on Chinese New Year. Not that the place is Chinese or anything, but it would have been, at least closer to the thing. But Pho 27. Have you ever had pho?
No.
Oh, pho. Depending on who you are and what part of the country you're from.
That's what you say, right?
Yeah.
No, to be honest, no. I've tried everything else, but that's the reason here, because he told us that it was really good. So
Let's go inside. Let's go try it out, and let's see what happens. Follow me.
like that. I want an egg roll. She doesn't like it. Look. Yeah.
I finally see what all the fuss is all about. Out of all these that I've ever tried, the flavor is a little bit better than most of them. But the thing that I think sets these apart is that they're really stuffed. They jam-packed as many veggies as most places do into 2 or 3 of these into one. So they're really, really stuffed. They are tight. It's tight rolled. Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up on these. 3 thumbs up. Everybody like these?
They're really good. Yes.
5 thumbs up on these. What up, people? I got my girl Rock. She has a second to breathe real quick. We're in the kitchen. So Rock, right behind us, that gentleman right there, that is your uncle.
Yes, Uncle Sam.
Uncle Sam, he's one of the owners, and then his wife is the other owner.
Yep, my auntie Ann.
Your auntie Ann. They are in here cooking up the store, man. What is it like? How are you not fat right now, eating all this amazing food?
Oh, I am. I'll be tons of weight.
Dude, so tell us, how has it been so far? Have you guys been busy?
Yeah, so far we appreciate all the customers that came to give us a try. We're doing our best to keep up with the demand.
Good, good. I'm glad you guys are here. I'm glad you allowed me to come in and cook with Sam. We're going to get back into the kitchen. I just want to say hi. Thank you for the hospitality, and I can't wait to try the food.
We're glad to have you here. Thank you.
What's up, guys? I bumped into some friends over here. We're at Pho 27. I seen these guys were having a good time. How did you guys get beer and I didn't, bro? What's happening?
Because we know the owner.
What he means to say is, even though they don't have a liquor license, it is BYOB. So you guys brought that in. And they happen to share some with me. I appreciate you guys. God bless. What do you guys think about the food so far? Pretty good? Yeah? What did you have, bro?
I had some chicken, bro.
How did I know that my brother is the one that had chicken over here? Man, tearing up the chicken. All right, now from my Mexican sister down there, what did you think so far? Because I know my Mexicans love our Asian food.
I got crab ragoon, and then what else do I have? An egg roll, and the sauces are really good too.
The sauces are fire, man. That peanut sauce, good, right?
Yeah, and this
Making peanuts taste good. What about you, bro? What did you think?
Well, we got the sampler, so we had a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
The sauces were game changing.
And my man knows his food because he works at another place. But we ain't gonna mention that place, bro. Hey, it's good. You're supporting local, and that's what we're about. Anyway, I'm glad I talked to you guys. God bless you guys. Make sure you follow Manny's Mexican Minute, and I'll see you guys at Tamale Fest. Pepper steak. What are you thinking, bro?
This is really good. It was a lot.
Yeah?
So I'm full.
You're full?
To go.
No, not overly. What up, people? So I managed to get Andrew, the Prince of the Palace, with me right here.
What's up?
Bro, Andrew, so this is your folks' place, man.
Yes.
How has everything been so far?
It's been like a whole week now, and it's been going good. It's getting busier each day.
Yeah.
And we're like learning, and we're getting better, and we're serving the best food we can.
So far, what does everybody come in order?
Dude, the special fried rice, the pho, the papaya salad, the lap, the Laotian sausages,
Sure.
everything, man.
So I have to ask, are you guys Laotian? Are you guys, what's the background?
Yep. So we're Laotian. I'm
Okay.
maybe like a quarter Thai, but we're
Okay.
mostly Laotian.
Okay, so you're Laotian. Dude, the pho was amazing. I tried the rolls, the crab ragoon. I had now I'm used to calling it vermicelli. You guys call it what?
Bi bun.
Bi bun. That
Bi
Bi
bun.
bun is fire, bro.
Thank
Bi
you,
bun.
bro.
Bi bun.
Yeah,
That was one of my favorites. And then the sesame chicken was a hit. What is your favorite thing to eat here? And I mean like your favorite
Yeah,
thing to eat.
my all-time favorite since I was a youngin', man. My mom cooked it at home. Ladna.
Ladna.
Noodles. Yep.
So why is that your favorite?
It's a different type of noodle. It's thicker, it's bigger, so it makes me more full, and it has a good taste in my opinion. Man.
It did. You know, my friend Paula was here, and I happened to just dip my plate into it. I had to
Yes,
taste
sir.
it, man. What can you tell me about the future? What's gonna happen? You guys gonna get liquor soon?
Uh-huh.
What can we expect from you guys?
Yeah, definitely. So we're gonna keep the menu how it is for now.
Sure.
We might expand it once we get into the groove of things. If we get used to how everything is.
Sure.
And liquor, as far as that goes, in time, yes.
Down the line. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, hey, man, I agree. I appreciate the hospitality. I'm glad you took a minute to talk to me. I see you running around with your head cut off, bro. Keep up the hard work.
Yes.
Because it's hard work, man.
Mhm.
Did you think it was gonna be? Did you think it was gonna be harder? Did you think it was gonna be easier? What did you think?
I knew what to expect, so I didn't think it was too hard or too easy. But my parents, they're new to this,
Yeah.
operating and running in their own business, so they're adjusting to it.
Sure.
I think my mom thought it was going to be a little easier, but hey,
I seen your pops in there cooking, man.
Yeah.
He's got that skill though. He's got that
He's been-
flick of the wrist.
he's been cooking. He hasn't owned a business restaurant, but he's been cooking at some way back.
Oh,
in the day
I
and
can
stuff.
tell. I
Yeah.
can tell, bro. Well, listen, bro. I'm gonna let you get back to it. God bless you. Thank you. I got some more food to go try.
All right, man.
All right, guys. So we're finishing up. They're kind of finishing up. Christina, Teresa, Emily, Jesus. What did you guys think?
It was very good.
Really good. Obviously, the place is clean. Brand new place. They did a little bit of remodeling and touching up. So the cleanliness is awesome. The value, great value.
For the portion size, thumbs up.
Portion sizes are huge. Look, he still has all that to go. So the value, the portion sizes are huge. Service is great.
Yep.
Service is great. What else? Flavor. How's that felt, Teresa?
It was very flavorful and very delicious.
She said it was flavorful, delicious, filling. How was yours? I did try the beef. Super, super tender. The queen of the table is still chowing down. You had what did you have, Jesus?
I had the sesame chicken.
Sesame chicken. What you think?
Really good. Portion was great. Flavor on point. So I'm happy.
You can pick your spiciness on that.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, you pick your level.
Yes. Yours was level 2. Level 2, and then I had the. I call it vermicelli, but I can't remember the exact. Oh, wrong. I got the menu. Okay. The Bi Bun. The Bi Bun was great. And I have to be honest, you guys, the Bi Bun was just as good as my other favorite place on 7th Street. So now I'm gonna have to decide which one I come to. But that's a good problem to have because only 7th Street had a really good vermicelli. So, and I didn't want to mention their names because I don't want to take it away from this place. But I'm gonna leave you guys with that. I appreciate you guys watching. If you watched this far, if you like what I'm doing here in the area or around the world, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, share, follow. And if you're on Facebook, look for us in the Rockford and State Line Foodie Group. Follow my page, Manny's Mexican Minute, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, blah, 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 blah. You know I'm on there. Hashtag Manny's Mexican Minute. And I'll leave you guys with that, man, because I got a baby to go say hi to. I got to go try some of Teresa's pho. I only had a little bit. But I'm missing something funny down there. So, leave you guys with that. Until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease. All right, guys. That was a wrap, man. Andrew, Mirak, the whole family at Pho 27. I just want to say thank you, guys. That was amazing. I'm really glad that this side of town has something authentic again, or something new for you guys to try that's authentic and not just another like chain restaurant or something. And I'm very, very happy with those results. The food was great. The place was awesome. Service was great. So I'm glad you guys tuned in. If you guys like this video and you like what I'm doing, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll leave you guys with that. Until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease.